Hey everyone, I'm here today with another video and it's an unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing the September edition of Pink Parcel. Do you know what it is? It's always the way, isn't it? You're waiting for a parcel, the brilliant Pink Parcel delivered via Royal Mail. You get an email because it's tracked to say it's coming, and you get an email that it's delivered so you know it's been delivered. And I went to the freezer, which is, we don't have the freezer in the kitchen. It's kind of, we've got a cupboard off the dining room, sort of a large sort of, it's faffy. The dining room is garage. It was converted into a dining room because we had an internal garage and it was converted into a dining room. And there's sort of a large cupboard where we keep all sorts of things, and that's where we keep the freezer because it's nice and cool. So that's where the freezer is. Went in the freezer, was probably less than a minute in the freezer, came back, there was a red card. So I had to go and collect it, so I went and got it yesterday, and let's see what's inside. I won't bore you with the concept of Pink Parcel again. I think we all know what it is by now. If you don't, it's a period subscription box, for want of a better word. Oh, okay. This is what we get. Ooh, there we go. So that's everything that's inside. And let's see what we get. Right. You get a little booklet basically to tell you what's in your box and a bit about the theme. This is called the Eve Edit, which I'm assuming, yes it is. It's about the Eve appeal, which draws, which is there to draw attention and for research into gynecological cancers. We're not just talking things like cervical, we're talking ovarian, vulval, all sorts of things that you can get, different types of gynecological cancers. Been around for quite a while. They did go through a phase where they did a cosmetic range, beauty range, which unfortunately they don't do anymore because it was actually really good. But yes, definitely. So that's who they are, and let's see what else we'll get. That's who the box is in theme with. I'll read some more about that in a minute. First of all, another HelloFresh voucher. There you go. £40 off for HelloFresh, £20 off your first and second boxes. So you get £20 off your both boxes. I think it's £35 a week if you get the vegetarian one, which is what I get, but it's well worth it. Love HelloFresh. Now, what else? Want to treat a free bestie to a box. So yeah, you can. You've got a code where you can share with your box. I'm presuming it's only one per customer, which it probably is. But as I say, I'll link below anyway, so if you want to subscribe, you can. There you go. Now, basically, you get a fin. Oh, there's more paper. Oops. Okay. We're sorry to let you know that we've run out of Ultra, so instead we've replaced it with Body Foam. So basically, one of the products that I should have got, I haven't got it. So they've sent me something else, which is fine. It'll probably just be as good. Right, first one for now. So I have some tampons and some panty liners. I love these little bags. They're brilliant. Just stick them in your handbag. You can't see what they are. You can't see what anything's in it. And this one is a lovely little heart one, and it is in association with the Eve appeal. So that's that. Now let's see what we've got. So you get some night times. Okay, they've sent me some nighttime towels. So there we go. Nighttime towels, or pads, or sanitary pads, whatever else you want to call them. I've just always called them towels. I don't know why. But, and yeah, same again. Tampons and some towels. This is a mixed pack. As I've said before, you can get all tampons, but you do get tampons nighttime and some panty liners, or you can get all towels, or you can get a combination. I go for a combination because now I kind of switch it up throughout my period depending on how heavy I am. There you go. So that's those two. Now, on to the thing that's really interesting for you. And something's rattling, which is unnerving, but for you. Basically, it's a little something to cheer you up. Okay, alright, okay. Okay, so let's see what this says. The Eve Edit. A brand new season is on its way. It's actually, I think it's already here. We've had like, what do you call them? Our first named storms of the year have been in the UK. I mean, I know we can, I'm British, we exaggerate about the weather, we talk about the weather constantly, but I seriously thought we were going to lose the conservatory roof at one point. It was making that sort of pressure noise that it makes when it's being sucked from the outside. yeah, it's still on, thankfully. I think a couple of plant pots didn't quite make it through, but it wasn't good. We're not used to bad, well, we are used to bad weather, but we're not used to extreme bad weather, but that was pretty bad the other night. But which one was that? Can't remember which one that was, and it's supposed to chuck it down with rain tomorrow, aka Sunday, but I don't know when this is going up. But anyway, yeah, so autumn looks as though it's starting with a vengeance. A brand new season is on its way, which means so is the start of the mind and body reboot. I don't know about body, mind, always could do with a reboot. Importantly, September is also Gynecological Cancer Awareness and Blood Cancer. Gynecological Cancer Awareness Month. To mark it, we're dedicating this month's parcel to the Eve Appeal, a charity that's committed to raising awareness and funding around the 5 main types of gynecological cancer: womb, ovarian, cervical, vulval and vaginal. Our Eve edit, worth over £45, is packed with perfect partners that will help you give your beauty cupboards and your health a welcome refresh. Skip the salon, show off dry, fresh bouncy hair with the game-changing blow dry in a bottle Percy Reed's revealing Invisible Dry Shampoo. And accentuate your styled locks with a new season smolder by swooping on this month's coveted Endless Silky Eye Pencil from Pixi. Don't forget to share your thoughts on social media, which I always do. So, you know, if you follow me on other social medias, you usually see my blog, the shares and things. Right, start at the top. And that is this Pixi Silky Eye Pencil. Now, I'm not going to take it out because I'm not ready to use this. I've got a couple on the go, so I'm not going to swatch it. I'm just going to leave it sealed till I'm ready. Now, this isn't a full size. Have we got a size? 0.8 grams. I don't think it's a full size anyway. I think I have actually tried this before. I do like Pixi. I've had a few Pixi products over the last 12 months or so. I got a kit and an advent calendar, which reminds me, I did get my hands on the Glossy Box advent calendar. I'm so excited. I went on subscriber pre-sale, which launched this week, and I managed to get it, so I'm so excited about that. Anyway, so yeah, Pixi. I've used a few Pixi products, and I really like the ones that I've tried. I've got a lovely eyeshadow palette from them as well, which I love. And this is the Endless Silky Eye Pen, which is an eyeliner basically. It looks really smooth, but as I say, I'm not going to open it because I'm not ready to use it, so I don't see the point in exposing it to air when I'm not ready to. Glide along the lower lash line from the inner to the outer corner. One silky swipe is enough to make a serious impact. This no budge formula stays put all day and is waterproof, paraben and preservative free. And £12 for a full size. There isn't a full size with this, but I'll try and give you an idea of what this is if I can find it. If not, I'll try and manually work out what it should probably be. So that's that. Skin Chemists Roll-On Quartz Lip Plump. Is that this? Skin Chemists London Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump. And 8 mils. This is a full size. So this is worth £24.90. Sweep over lips and enjoy the tingling sensation. The hydrating formula deeply nourishes and leaves lips gloriously glossy, with star ingredients Volulip and perky peppermint oil to really plump up the volume. So, let's see what's inside. Alright, so it's just a tube. Is it a tube? No, it's not. Alright, so it's just like a pale pink gloss, basically, which would probably go on clear or slightly. And that's what it looks like. Upside down. I'm going to have a sniff, see what it sniffs like. Oh yeah, very pepperminty, very pepperminty. Yeah, it just goes on clear, it's just a clear gloss basically, but it's very pepperminty smelling. So no doubt that will poof up the lips, although mine are fairly poofy today anyway. I do have quite poofy lips, they're not even at all, but they're quite poofy. So yeah, I've got lipstick on that's actually helping them poof. It's Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, in case you're interested. There is a picture on my Instagram, so don't forget to check my other social media channels. But Pillow Talk is back and it's beautiful. So that's that. That's full size, £24.90. So obviously that's worth more than the entire box. Next, Percy Reed. I quite like Percy Reed. I've never tried this product. I've tried one of the dry shampoos before, but I don't think I've ever tried this one because this one says invisible. I love dry shampoo. I use it quite a lot because sometimes my hair can get, I don't know, just lacking in anything. It just goes through. So I do use a bit of dry shampoo, I'm not going to lie. Batiste has always been my favourite for years, but I know people have issues with Batiste for the white. Personally, just scrub it through, rub your hands, keep rubbing it through and it will go away eventually. But I have tried a couple of others recently. There's a Paul Mitchell one, dry wash. Oh my god, that is incredible. That is definitely one of my favourites. Paul Mitchell. I've also tried Collab, which is Ruth Crilly. Model recommends this brand, which I really like as well. But I've never tried this particular one, I don't think, the Invisible Dry, so I'll definitely give that a go. And this is a 50ml size. Again, it just gives you the price for the full size, which is £12.50. So I'll try and work out if I can find this travel size somewhere. I don't know how well you can see that. Shake well, whole can 20 centimetres away from and blast over roots to absorb excess oil, cleanse scalp and add volume. Blow dry in a bottle, use it to style your hair like the pros. It's perfect for all hair colours and won't leave a powdery white mark in sight. So there we go. So we shall give that a go. Next, sheet masks. I do love a sheet mask. I love a sheet mask. This is the Beauty Pro Nourishing Collagen Mask with Olive Extract, suitable for all skin types, anti-aging formulation. Deeply nourishes dehydrated and thirsty skin. I'm sure I've got a Beauty Pro one. Was it Glossy Box? Last Glossy Box I got a Beauty Pro mask in. Deeply nourishing, hydrates thirsty skin, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Lightweight sheet mask combines marine collagen with marine collagen. Oh, what's marine collagen? What is marine collagen? Please be plants. It doesn't say plants. Oh, against animal testing, so in theory it should be. Just as long as there's no snails or anything in it. I'll double check. Hydrogen properties of the olive regenerate scales while protecting the skin. Anti-aging and hydrating to thirsty skin. This wonderful mask leaves the skin subtle and with a youthful glow. Apply for your skin, leave for 20 minutes. Marine collagen, vitamin C and aloe work to restore radiance, boost elasticity and combat fine lines. Berberry extract reduces pigmentation and evens out the skin tone. Price £4.95 for one mask. So yeah, so that's that. I'll definitely give that a go. Marine collagen, it could just be something like the seaweeds that's in the Elemis, because I use their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and by marine collagen they just mean seaweeds and things, so hopefully that's what they mean by that. No bits of prawn beaten up in it or anything, I doubt it. Right, next product. I've actually tried this before. I did have a full size of this at some point, and it is actually really nice. And it is the Anatomicals No Old Bags Allowed Eye Gel, and it's teeny. It's a little baby size one. Great for your handbag, because obviously you can, with gels you can sometimes use them over makeup. Lightly dab a small amount under the eyes for instant refreshment and hydration. Arnica and orange flower water are the star ingredients of this quick absorbing non-sticky formula that will perk up puffy peepers. Don't try saying that in a hurry. And this is a 5ml size, £4.79 for 15ml, so you can work that out basically yourself. There you go. I will put an estimated price below. Next, Drink Me Chai. I do like these actually, and this is free from, which is no added sugar chai latte, the same authentic taste with natural sweeteners, no added sugar and 99% caffeine free. So you can try empty sachet. So is this dairy free? Yeah, this appears to be dairy free. It's non-dairy, so this one's vegan friendly. So if you're vegan, you can try this one. Stir in 200 ml of hot milk, be it dairy or almond, coconut or soy. And yeah, so that's that. Let me try. And that is a 18-gram single serving sachet, and £2.50 for 250 grams. But they do actually sell these. I have seen these individual sachets, so I will try and give you an idea of the price of that. Finally, chocolate. I've just had some aero bubbles, so I'm not really very chocolate orientated. I don't need any at the minute. Seed and bean organic rich milk chocolate, Cornish sea salt and lime. That sounds good. I love salt in chocolate and salted caramel, anything like that. And the salt and lime sounds a bit margarita-y. Dive deep into our zesty sweet and slightly salty milk chocolate experience. Suitable for vegetarians. Organic ingredients tick, fair trade cocoa tick, totally delicious double tick. Get your chocolate cravings sorted with this delicious bar. And this is a full size. It says it is. 25 grams, and that's £1.20 for the chocolate. Now, is that the lot? Yeah, that's the lot. yeah, value as per usual is spot on. I mean, there are a couple of minis, things that you would class as minis in this one, but I mean, good size minis. I mean, it usually gives you a chance to use it. This is a full size face mask, and obviously full size lip plumper, which is £25, so you can't argue with the value again. Plus, obviously, you're getting all your sanitary protection. So another decent one. As I say, I mean, whether with Pink Parcel, I think if you get a parcel and you get the odd one or two things maybe you wouldn't use it, that's fair enough, because you're still getting the value elsewhere. So yeah, I am very pleased yet again with Pink Parcel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I've got hiccups. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think about this box. If you've tried any of the products, of course, leave me a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear Pixi recommendations as well. I've tried Glow Tonic. I've tried some of the liquid highlighters. I've tried one of the lip balms, gloss, and some eyeshadow palettes. So let me know if you have any Pixi recommendations. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check my other social media links out. I post all sorts of haul video. I'm not quite as avid to Twitter as I was, but I still do tweet. I probably tweet once a day, at least once a day. I'm posting occasionally on Instagram stories I'm getting into at the moment. So especially if you like hauls and things, some of the things that I buy that don't make it into videos or blog posts, I will just pop onto my Insta stories. I do have one of the little tabs which you can go back and look at past things for Insta haul, and I post the occasional cat picture on as well. So don't forget to subscribe to them as well, and I will see you really soon with another video. No idea what it'll be, but I will see you soon. Bye.